In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can start an affiliate marketing business the right way. I'm going to show you everything from A to Z. Hey, hello, my name is Ian Castillo and welcome to my channel. If this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and do not forget to hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial for those who are looking to start with affiliate marketing. Let me share with you a little bit about my experience with affiliate marketing and why I'm so passionate about this. And the truth is that I didn't start with affiliate marketing. When I started my online journey back on 2007, I was doing something way different. What I was doing at the time is I was blogging. Everything was fantastic. You know, the business was growing, but unfortunately, I met the wrong person at the wrong time and I suffered a huge scam. Although a lot of people focus on the money, don't get me wrong. I don't mean that it's not important. Actually, it is. What affected me the most is actually my mindset. If for some reason you have some experience, with credit cards, loan, and all the stuff relating to banking, how stressful it is when they are calling you day and night because you have a debt and you are the person who is responsible. They don't care who spent the money. You are actually the person who is responsible. So that was my case. And I was forced to look not for one, but two full-time jobs so I can barely survive because I have these debts that I have to cover. And, I have my basic needs. So I was surviving. That's the truth. So after some time, I was like, hey, I want to go back to the online business, but I remember I have two full-time jobs. So looking for a third online job was not like an option. So I was looking for something that it can give me an extra $300, $500, or even $1,000 extra per month. It will be cool. So I tried different business models and don't get me wrong, they work. I'm not going to lie to you, but on some of them you need to spend a lot of money and others you need to be spending a lot of time. And I was like, okay, I don't have a lot of money and I don't have a lot of time. So that's when I actually found affiliate marketing in which literally you partner with companies and the only thing that you're going to be doing is that you're going to be promoting their products and services in exchange for a commission. You don't deal with payment processor. You don't deal with customer service. You don't deal to tech support. You don't do delivery of the product. You don't fulfill the product. Okay. The company do everything. The only thing that you do is actually a recommendation. To keep the story short, I was able to replace both of my jobs. I was able to pay all my debts and I was able to travel and live in several countries. So I can tell you that this actually works. This is not something magical that is going to happen overnight, but it has changed my life. And I'm pretty sure that if you decide to take this route, you have the right mindset and you have a really huge commitment with yourself and with your success, you can actually have really good results. So let me share with you here my screen super fast. Okay, because there are things that I actually want to share with you. As I mentioned, we are going to be talking about how to start affiliate marketing from A to Z. Okay, so now you know a little bit about why I really like this business model, what I think it's beginner friendly and all this stuff. So this is a blueprint of my automated affiliate business. Okay. First of all, you will need to have traffic, which is basically eyeballs, people who are, looking for information. Sometimes they know that they have a problem and they're looking for a solution. And the only thing is that you're going to be giving away something for free. Okay. Then the automate sales system is going to be working. Here, when you give something away for free, and this doesn't need to be something super complicated, it can be a simple PDF or a small video, something super simple like a checklist. You are going to trigger automate emails that are going to be working on your behalf. This is actually how I was able to build my business while I had two full-time jobs because the system was working for me. And I was promoting multiple products on the back end. People were getting just something for free. It can, as I told you, it can be something super simple. And on the back end, I was promoting multiple products or multiple offers. Okay. So things that you need to understand is that you need to find a major problem to solve. Okay. So people are going to go from point A to point B, which in point A, it's going to be a huge pain. And in point B, it's going to be the drink outcome. Okay. The most profitable niches online are health, wealth, and relationships because, you know, people have a huge pain. If there is someone who is having a hard time in their marriage, the relationship is not going well, their dream outcome is that they're going to have a happy marriage, they're going to have a happy wife, a happy husband, a happy life with their special someone. That's what they want to do. If someone has, they are overweight and they are like, hey, you know what? I can play with my kids. Okay. I want to lose weight so I can feel healthier. I have more energy and all this stuff. That's the pain that they have right now. Their dream outcome is, that they are fit. Okay. That they have the energy, to play with their kids. So that's something that you need to understand. Okay. That you're going to find a major problem to solve. Okay. Super, super simple. Okay. Do not overcomplicate things. And how you can find products to promote? Well, literally, you're going to go to Google. And here, for example, I have top affiliate programs for health and wellness. And as you can see here, I have top 9 in fitness affiliate programs that I can click here. More affiliate programs here. Literally, you can type the name of the product that you would like to promote or a brand plus affiliate program, and chances are that they do have a affiliate program because more than 80% of the companies nowadays, they do have it. Also, you can go to a marketplace, like for example, you can go to ClickBank. Here in ClickBank, okay, you are going to have this marketplace. On this marketplace, you're going to have different categories. As you can see here, for example, I have arts and entertainment, business, computers, cooking, business education, green products. Let's say that I'm going to go with health and fitness. Here in health and fitness, I have different offers that I can promote. This is the average of how much people are actually earning. Okay, so you can go and you can find the product that you would like to promote. They do have tons of products and they explain you all the information about how the products have and if they do have multiple products. This is the list view, just in case that you're wondering. I usually use this one in which I do see the images. You have here physical products, you have here digital products, you have also services. They are more marketplace, okay? This is just one, but you can have the opportunity to use other marketplaces if you want. So now we, okay, let me draw this so you can see how this actually work in a graphic way. Okay, first you're gonna have the traffic, which is people who watch your YouTube videos, who found you on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, you name it. Okay, then you're gonna capture their name and email address. As I told you before, here you're gonna give them something for free. Here we have what we call a bridge page in which we are introducing the product that we're going to promote, which is going to be the main product or your core product. This can be a video or this can be text. And here you're going to have the product that you're going to promote. Okay. You don't create this. Okay. Most of the time, the programs give you all the email sequence that you're going to be using to promote this product. But nowadays with AI, literally you can ask ChatGPT, like, do you know about this product? I can tell you that 99% of the time, ChatGPT knows about the product. So you're tell them all the information that it's related about the target audience and all the stuff. And the affiliate on the affiliate page, you're gonna have that information. So you don't even need to overthink about it. And you're gonna tell ChatGPT to write an email. Of course, you're gonna put your human touch. And remember that you can promote other products as well. So how do we create this? Don't worry, a you don't need to know a single line of coding. You don't need to be a web designer, developer, all the stuff. And by using the link below, you're going to be creating a free account to System.io. Okay, System.io, it's an all-in-one marketing solution, and you're going to have a free account. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and if you want to learn more in depth about this, I'm going to be leaving in the description. It's going to be the very first link in the description. So now that you open your free System.io account, this is how it's going to look like. As you can see, I have multiple funnels. Don't worry about that. You're going to go here where it says sites. Then you're going to click here where it says sales funnels. You're going to click here where it says create. You're going to put your name. Sorry, not your name. The name of the product, something that you can identify what it is all about. You can have a domain, okay? As you can see here, I have a domain. This is my subdomain. If you ask me, like, Diana, it's a domain. It's actually really important. For me, it is. Why? Because if you're gonna fill out information, it's feels more secure if you use a domain, which is yourname.com. Okay. And nowadays you can buy a domain for less than $15. And that's per year, not even per month. Okay. And remember that System.io is actually for free. Okay. Then you're going to click here where it says build an audience, and you're going to click here where it says save. And if you click on it, you're going to notice that you're going to have the two pages that I mentioned. Okay. So these are the pages, this and this. Okay. So literally you're going to have the template. You just need to customize it, and that's it. Okay. Here on the thank you page, you're going to put your affiliate link. You're going to choose the design that you like, and that's it. Okay. Boom. This is something that you do once. Here in the email marketing is where you're going to configure, you're going to be creating a campaign. Okay. So now that you have that, how do you promote it? Remember that I told you about this. Okay. The more eyeballs you have or you get, the more opportunities you have to earn money online. And remember that since you're going to have a system that is going to be working for you 24/7 with multiple products, you're going to have a lot of opportunities. So how you can promote this? For example, you can go and you can create a YouTube channel. This is actually my channel. I don't consider it a huge channel. I want it to grow way more. So don't forget to subscribe. And here I have long form content videos, and I do have short form content videos in which I'm actually sharing information. You don't need to be on camera if you don't want to. The other thing is that you can just record your screen, and that's okay. If you would like, nowadays short form content, it's really popular. This is my TikTok account. Okay. And as you can see, I'm sharing my link here. Okay. So literally, you don't need to talk if you don't want to. You can create a 5 to 7 second videos. For example, this one right now, it's kind of popular. Okay. And I'm not even talking. Okay. The only thing is that I'm sharing some text, and that's it. Okay. This is actually this video here. Okay. I'm not even talking. There are videos in which I talk because I love to explain concepts and stuff, but this is not actually mandatory. Okay. And you're going to have a call to action. That's it. Okay. And here you're going to put your link. By the time recording this video, if you would like to put a link on your TikTok account, you will need to have at least 1,000 followers. Okay. You need to reach 1,000 followers. On the other hand, you can also do the same on Instagram. Okay, this is my Instagram account. It's not huge, but it's actually doing the job. And as you can see, I have my link here. From day one, you can actually share your link on your Instagram account. The same, you don't need to talk. You're just going to be sharing stuff. And this is it's as simple as that. Okay. Your only job after you create your system, okay, your 2P system, it's literally to start driving traffic. That's it. And this is something that you can do in 3 hours. Uh, I know people who do everything on a weekend. And this is the reason why I was able to do this while I have a full-time job. Because the hardest part, which is building a system, nowadays we do have tools and you can actually start it for free. So remember, if you want to learn more about this, I'm going to be leaving a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, share this content with someone you think he or she might be interested. And I see you guys on the next video.